Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make pasta sauce. Nick DiGianni emphasizes using fresh, high-quality ingredients to build incredible flavor. His approach focuses on simple techniques that yield rich, authentic results. You'll learn to create a delicious sauce with minimal effort, ensuring a truly satisfying meal every time. Get ready to elevate your pasta dishes and impress everyone with your culinary skills. For a versatile pasta sauce, begin with high-quality crushed tomatoes, about 28 ounces, as your foundation. Fresh garlic and onion, roughly 2 to 3 cloves and 1 small onion, provide essential aromatic depth. Incorporate fresh basil and a teaspoon of dried oregano for that classic Italian taste. A small pinch of red pepper flakes, about 1/4 teaspoon, adds a pleasant, subtle warmth. To start, gently sauté 2 to 3 minced garlic cloves and 1 diced small onion in 2 tablespoons of olive oil until they are softened. Next, add your 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, along with the fresh basil and dried oregano. Simmer the sauce gently for at least 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld. Season with salt and freshly cracked black pepper to taste, and 1 tablespoon of sugar can balance acidity. For pesto, consider using a mortar and pestle to gently crush basil, garlic, and pine nuts, preserving their vibrant, fresh flavor. When making any sauce, add fresh Parmesan cheese at the very end, right before serving, to maintain its best texture and taste. Always taste and adjust your seasoning throughout cooking for perfect balance. A final drizzle of high-quality extra virgin olive oil adds a wonderful richness and sheen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.